Exceptionally property located in the Currituck Club, offering 2 residences on a private double lot. The main home features 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths, all ensuite, with extensive renovations throughout. Highlights include an open, functional layout, bright 2-story foyer, formal dining area, renovated kitchen west/quartz countertops, multiple living areas, abundant storage, and a fireplace. 2 primary suites on the first floor, west/additional ensuite bedrooms on the second level. A detached climate-controlled 3-car garage includes an upper-level apartment west/full kitchen, living area, laundry, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, offering excellent flexibility. Additional features include a private pool, full house generator, tankless water heater, irrigation well, and expansive outdoor space. Amenities include